Right, welcome to my channel, guys. I've actually got the stabilizer on, which is definitely a lot better for getting some views. We're currently over in Chester, my home city, and I just thought I'd do a quick vlog on it. You can see the main bridge over there that goes from Chester city centre over to Hambridge. The stabilizer is very good. Was better, had it on wide lens, and that's why it was not able to see as much. That's definitely a lot better. As you can see, currently down the river. That's actually called the River Dee. So just the other side of that bridge over there is, to the left, is a place called Hambridge. So a lot of people walking down here. You got hickories over there, as you can see in front of me. That's a steakhouse. And then you've got the odd coffee shop over there. Got the little cubicles. There's one over there. There's currently one. Further down there, as you can see, they sell ice creams and cold drinks. Currently also got where that building is there. I think they're public toilets. Plenty of seating. You always get lots of seagulls around here, as you can see. A bit of a bandstand. Over there. And as you can see there, the famous Hollyoaks Bridge, where they filmed some parts of Hollyoaks in Chester, and that's the bridge. So this is the main River Dee, where you get lots of fish coming from the main sea. Comes on the current a couple of times a day, so you get some bits of salmon in here. You get lots of eels, sand eels. A lot of the boats have been moved, probably in for repair or something. Across there you can see in the distance, that's the University of Chester, or one of them anyway. That's in part of the Chester called Hambridge.
Just gonna say that, that's so good to your TikTok.
Didn't understand what he said, but there you go. Waffling on about TikTok or something. Anyway, guys, I'm going to wrap this one up. I'm going to get the drone up just for 5 minutes near the car and just get a bit of a 360 aerial view of the River Dee in Chester, and yeah, I'm going to bring this one to the end. But you can see there, you've got a bit of a platform there where they normally have the boats, but they're obviously in for service and ready for the summer. They'll be back here in the next few weeks for the river trips. They've got a couple of boats around here. Don't really know what they're for. They're not, I don't think people living on them. They may do. But there you go, guys. Handbridge. Just over there, near the bridge. And the River Dee. Got not this one on the head, and I'll get it online within the next few days. Hope you like the video, and we'll speak to you again very soon.